In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train a model in Teachable Machine. Teachable Machine is a free browser-based tool from Google that lets you create simple machine learning models without writing code. It's great for quick experiments, classroom projects, or prototyping ideas. To get started, open your favorite modern browser and go to teachablemachine.with.google.com. On the homepage, click Get Started. If you plan to record directly from your device, you may be asked to allow camera or microphone access. That's only needed if you're capturing data inside the site. Next, choose your project type. You'll see three options: image project for recognizing pictures, audio project for classifying sounds, and pose project for detecting body positions. For your first try, I recommend the image project because it's the most straightforward and widely useful. Go ahead and select it to open a new project workspace. You'll notice a simple layout with boxes labeled Class 1 and Class 2. These are your categories, also called labels. Rename them to something clear and specific, like cat and dog, or any two concepts you want to distinguish. Good labels describe exactly what the examples in that class represent. Keep them short, use plain language, and make sure each class captures only one idea. Now it's time to upload or capture your data for each class. Click Upload in a class box to add images from your computer. If you prefer, you can capture examples directly using your webcam. Aim for plenty of variety, different angles, backgrounds, lighting conditions, and sizes. A balanced set helps the model learn fairly, so try to provide a similar number of images for each class. Even 20 to 50 images per class can work for a simple demo, but more variety usually improves results. Use content you have permission to use, avoid including people's personal details in the frame, and keep images clear and relevant to the label. Once your classes have examples, you're ready to train. Click Train Model. Training runs right in your browser, so keep the tab active. The time it takes depends on how many examples you provided and your device's performance. During training, the system looks for patterns that distinguish your classes and tunes itself to make predictions. When training finishes, you'll see the model respond to your inputs in real time. If the predictions seem off, don't worry. Add more diverse, accurate examples to the classes that struggle, remove any confusing images, and click Train Model again. Iteration is normal and expected. That's it. You've opened Teachable Machine, chosen a project, created clear labels, uploaded your data, and trained a working model. Keep refining your examples, and you'll see steady improvements.